So today I have this Dollar Tree silicone flamingo mold, which is really an ice cube tray, and I'm going to see if I can use it with resin. Focus, there we go. So I have some pink glitter mixture and I'll put it in one of these. Let me get my gloves back on. The pink glitter mixture is basically just resin with some pink glitter. So I'm going to pour this into the first flamingo. And if you want to see how I made this, you can check out the other projects you see on the side. I'll upload videos to most of them on my channel as well. And in the other two, I'll just add a little bit of color. I have resin coloring, and I'll mix that into the mixture and then make two more flamingo with that. So I'm trying to add a little bit, but not too much. With how all of these projects turned out. So if you like resin, be sure to check out these videos on my channel. These cherry blossom videos have hours and hours of footage. It might be a while before I can post them, but I will post them, so comment down below if you want me to do that, and leave a like on this video. So here is the Dollar Tree flamingo mold, and now it's time for the reveal. And I let this cure overnight. It's been almost 24 hours now, and it feels solid enough. And here we go. It looks really cool. I will show these up close as well, but they came out better than I expected. And also, if you use this for a resin mold, do not use it as an ice cube mold. Like, don't eat or drink from here. They turned out pretty nice. And last but not least, and I'll take these outside. So here they are outside. And anyways, my Dollar Tree only had the flamingo molds, but I also saw that they have some Dollar Tree pineapple molds and maybe some shell molds at some locations. So you could check those out, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. You could see more resin art on my channel, and thanks for watching.